Hello, this is Sharon Creates with a box for Operation Christmas Child. This one is for a girl aged 10 to 14, and it's kind of an animal fantasy themed box. Let's see what we got going here. First, we have the notebook. It's a green one, it's not blue. Surprise. We have, woo, 2 packs of stickers. We have some hearts and some gnomes. We have her little note. We have a fantasy dream coloring book. It's got the more complicated coloring stuff, and she's 10 to 14, so that should go good with that. She's got a nice, soft, squishy hat. She has a bar of soap with a cute little strawberry or watermelon-y type soap pouch. I just thought it was kind of cute to make it that way. There's a little narwhal that when you turn it on, yeah, it lights up and it talks and it moves, and I'm turning it off so it doesn't waste the battery on the way. Gave her a cute little wooden box that she can decorate herself, and inside it I put some treats of a unicorn poppet. There's a little funky chicken, another funky chicken, a little lizard, a wolf, a panda bear, an orca, a moose, another wolf, a rabbit, a cougar. Had to think what kind of cat it was. Ah, yes, and this one has her peg family. I got the pegs from Amazon. This pack came with different sized ones, and then I just painted them. Nod to Nikki Chicote, who does a lot of these heart pegs for Operation Christmas Child. You inspired me to do some, and I'll be doing more for next year too. They were a lot of fun. I will put those back in the box afterwards, because otherwise it's going to take me forever just to fit them in there nice. This was absolutely fun, and I hope she enjoys it. It is a infinity scarf, but it has sequins. I really, really loved the yarn when I found it, and I hope she likes it. It's a little scratchy because of the sequins, but the rest of the yarn is soft, and I hope she'll enjoy it because it looked fun. I put in a pack of scratch paper. This is that stuff that comes with the little wooden scraper thing, so it's black paper. When you scratch it off, it's all rainbow underneath. She has her pencil case with a pencil sharpener, 2 big erasers, pack of scissors, some pencils, and some little pencil top erasers. And this one, I gave her a pack of these. They are colored pencils, and you take off the heart and move it to get to the other color. I figured a 10 to 14-year-old girl could have the manual dexterity to use something like that, where a little one might not. She has her two toothbrushes, a comb, her whistle, a pretty pen. It's one of the click pens. It's got some designs on it. Dollar Tree. And this one was too cute to leave out. It's a rainbow metallic mermaid tail pen. A pack of socks. Catwoman. I couldn't find the picture. I'm like, there's a hand on there, but I don't know what it is. It's Catwoman. A sticker that says, "Everybody is beautiful." And a color your own bookmark. And that is for our girl, aged 10 to 14. It's kind of a fantasy animal peg doll combination box, and I hope she enjoys it and has a lot of fun with it. I tried to add a little bit more grown-up stuff, like with the scarf, so she can be pretty. I hope you enjoyed seeing this and it gives you some ideas. I like incorporating handmade things like the hat and the scarf and the peg dolls into along with store-bought things, so that they have a good mix and they know that people care about them personally. I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget, shine your light all over the place, because there's way too much darkness out there. We need to spread some light. Bye.